Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman, and today I'll be showing you how you can turn Google into a lead generation machine for your business and really generate some more revenue month over month. Now, if you take a look at the top here, we're looking at car detailing in Des Moines, Iowa, which generates about 720 searches every single month. Now, the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those searches. That way, we can guarantee that 720 people every single month see your business first before looking at the competition. However, in order for that to happen, there's a few different things that we're going to need to understand first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because content is super important on Google. Some would even call it king. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll talk about what you'll need to do when you start building out your own website. So let's go to their website now. So here we are on your competitor site, Dynamic Auto Detailing, and if we scroll down here, what you're going to notice is that they don't really have much to their site except for content. And like I said, content is very important on Google, so it really works in their favor because content is king, and the more content we have, the better user experience our website promotes by giving users something to really engage with. And that's what Google's looking for when it looks to promote a website to the first page, is that your website really promotes a positive user experience to anybody who comes to it. So we want a very contentful site. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. But you could feel free to go above and beyond that if you'd like. But secondly, if we jumped further into their content, you'd start to notice that they have tons of industry-specific keywords. Keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So very important that we not only have a lot of content that's 750 to 1,000 words minimum, but that we also have these industry specific keywords to really back that content up. Now, if we do those two things, that should really set the internal foundation of our website and really put us in the right categories to start ranking and getting people to see our site. But the second part of this process is going to be our external side of things, and that's going to be our backlinks and our citations, and those are going to help us climb the rankings. So the way I like to look at it is that the internal lays the foundation, while the external starts building the top of that pyramid and really helping us climb bigger and bigger. So let's take a look at this website's external backlink structure and talk about what you'll need to do to really go in and outrank them. So here we are looking at your competitor's website, and you'll notice that they have 215 backlinks to their site, and ultimately they're generating about roughly 600 users every single month. Now, those almost 600 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their 215 backlinks. Now, the goal of this video is always to go bigger and better than our competitors, whether it's content, whether it's keywords, and also whether it's backlinks. So we're going to want 430 backlinks on top of our content and keywords. And if we do all of that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our business is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that our website will be bringing back for us month over month. And like I said, if we do those things, there's no reason as to why we shouldn't be able to take those 600 users and transfer them over to your business. But there was one more thing that I mentioned in this video that we're going to need to do, and that is citations. So let's jump over back to the Google Map Pack, talk about citations and how they really tie into everything here. We are on Google, and we very briefly touched on this map pack, but this map pack is ultimately one of the most important things on Google because it gives our business a second place that we could be seen online. Now, the map pack looks for a variety of different factors when it ranks its companies, one of the most important being citations. Now, citations are all the different places our business's name, address, and phone number are going to be found online. Some popular citations are things like Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books, Yelp. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I took it upon myself to look through each one of these companies and see how many citations they had. And at number one, we had 72 citations, followed by 56, and lastly, 38. So if number one has 72 citations, once again, we always want to go bigger and better than our competition. So we're going to want 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our keywords. And if we do all of that, we should start to see a very, very positive movement in the amount of traffic our website is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that our website is bringing back for us month over month. Now, that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, and that question is, what can an extra 720 customers a month do for your business? Now, once again, that's all I have for you in this video, but my name is Justin Gilman. I hope this was very helpful and very educational, and thank you for watching.